Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and in today's video this will be an update on my uncle's truck, which is a 1987 GMC Sierra 2500, which, as everyone knows, you haven't seen in a while. The last time you saw one of my uncle's pieces of property was his golf cart. So, something I didn't notice until now was a plank in the wheel well that he put there, and that right now the white paint and the silverish gray touch-up paint on the hood are starting to chip off, and that the fuel door is still crooked until now. I didn't notice that there before, and that and of course, I haven't seen this truck in over 3 months. That wheel for the cover is currently in the bed. Oh, 2 of them. Two of the same ones. They're of course painted, and his bed, like the cab, is full of crap. And of course I rolled down the windows, and he has this nice little decal that's been there for over 2 years. And of course blind spot mirrors. I heard something. I have both windows down because it is incredibly hot out here. And like I said, this red vinyl interior gets a lot of heat. So I'm not going to be in here too long. The horn is obviously not working right now. And of course, it is full of stuff in here. I moved some of it aside. A lot to be noticed around here. I'm not going to pop the hood. And so, yeah. He did leave the keys in here. I don't know why, but that's what he does. First time I ever saw them in here. I'm not going to do a startup because it's hot as hell out here. But yeah, you get the full impression. It has a V8 engine. You saw it in one of my previous videos. The visors don't have any mirrors in them. And so yeah, this is the 4th of July update for the 1987 GMC Sierra that belongs to my uncle. Please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.